Everybody, this is Ron Gadget Man, and today is September 27th, and we're coming to you with a video report on a modification that was done a couple of weeks ago for Penny Dawson of Dawson's Bookkeeping in Corvallis. Yeah, now Penny has declined to come on camera. She's a little camera shy. She's got beautiful hair, but her husband has decided to come on camera for us. And right now, this is Debbie. That's my wife. All right, and that is Billy. Billy, would you care to introduce yourself and tell us about your truck and what else going on?
Well, I'm Billy Dawson, and the gentleman here come up and put this, whatever the hell he did.
That's perfect, Billy. Go on.
He fixed this truck, and I peeled rubber going out of the damn driveway.
Yeah.
I believe it. I was heading goddamn 500 Indianapolis Speedway with this damn thing. I recommend it to anybody that wants to go like a bat out of hell.
Oh, you like that, huh? Do you?
I love it.
Penny got in there to drive off, and he was in there, and the tires broke loose, started squealing, and he said, "Whoa, you need to slow down."
I said, "What the hell's your goddamn rush? Slow it down." She said, "I just touched the damn gas." That's how good this damn thing is.
So, how long have you had that truck there, Billy?
Oh, 8 years now.
Yeah. So how's it running now as opposed to is it ever run any better than this?
Never.
Never run as good?
It's like a brand new truck now.
Oh, wonderful. That's really good news. I like that.
And the car too.
Oh, and that one right there?
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's like a bat out of hell thing.
So, have you got anything else you want to tell everybody out there in Gadget Man land?
Not a damn thing.
Once again, this is Gadget Man signing off, reminding y'all to smile for a stranger today, because everybody be glad you did. Bye-bye now.